Halika, pasukin natin ang hello. Hello guys, I'm back. I'm freaking back. Yo, what? Ito yung gusto so amor, Zach. I don't understand. I'm fine, yeah. Hello, hi JP. Cute. I know. Alat na. What am I doing now? I'm just drinking coffee. But it's cold right now. Look. Hello, what are you doing now, guys? Hi, CDR King. Parang yung CDR King pang ano pang cellphone. Good evening din sa'yo, Jason. Philippines. Yeah, I am from Philippines. Manila, Philippines. Hi, Nine Lives. Nothing, I just wanted to live here. Because I'm bored. I'm bored and I miss doing live here. My last live was like last year, maybe last year, or yeah. I pretty hair color. No, it's not. It's a highlight, guys. This is highlights, and yeah, expensive, but it lasts long. Sige, good night sa'yo. Matulog ka na. Wala akong pake sa'yo. Nice to meet you. Okay, I'll follow you back. Just follow me first, okay? So I'll follow you back. No. God, Eve Idol. Grabe, sa sobrang bilis mo mag-type, kulang ka ng O. It looks good on you. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute like Handa here. Emeka FW Jo Marie. Emeka. I can't say the place because it's too privileged to say. You know, it's a privacy. I can say it where I am right now. I roll na. Bakit? Tama ba yun? Press like kung tama. Halika, pasukin natin ang mundo ng laro. Oh, yeah. I'm Philippines. You're from Indonesian. I think I'm famous in Indonesian because my insights are number one is Indonesian. But do you know Miss Brew? I know her. Do you know her? You can watch it on my link. Yeah. See my link there in my bio. Bisaya man ka, uy. You can speak Indonesian? No. I think Indonesian has the same time here. Is it right? You can, yeah. Yeah, it's free there. It's free. Hi, Earth Joshua. Yeah, I want to play her. I mean, I want to do collab her because she's famous, right? That's what other influencers do, right? Yeah. Hindi niya ako naapakan. Twerk, I can twerk here. Because no twerk allowed here. Lumayas ka dito, Jebby Van. Oo naman, Joseph. Lumayas ka dito kung ayaw mong i-block kita. Ay, sa'yo. Nanggagagal ako. No, I can't understand kontol. What's kontol, guys? Oo naman. Oo naman. Yun ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. Oo. Hi sa'yo, Joaquin, Peter. Hindi naman best. Parang konti nga lang best. Parang 5 nga lang eh. Okay lang kami. Mabait siya. Kasi kung magpapatulong ka, tutulungan ka niya. 'Di ba? Sabi niya, anything for you. Tapos sabi niya, bago siya umalis, sabi niya, can you recommend me the place that basta, tapos ang nirecommend ko yung BGC, syempre gusto niya daw ng mahal eh. Konti lang, konti lang, parang mga ganun. Ganto ka dami. Kind person, of course I am. What's Cante Romania? Mana. Hi sa'yo, shout out Ella from Davao City. Yes, I have so many. You can go to my link. What time there, guys? Naubos din. Shout out, sige Brian. Shout out po from Basilan, Brian. Hindi, shout out kita. Um, shout out sa'yo, it's Pads from Antipolo. Antipolo? Calling your name is, you can call me Seika or Erica. Kilikili, oh, you know that word. You look like, swerte talaga, bes. Bira na lang yan, bes. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Hello. Yeah, ayoko na ng rose. Parang baduy. Parang bisaya. Pwede naman rose, pero ginagawa ko lang yun pag ano. Kasi mabilis lang kasi siya i-spell. Sa mga pagbibili ka ng Starbucks, ganun. Rose, sinasabi ko. Kasi pag Erica, baka lagyan ng C, may CK. Ganon. Tito Uncle, shout out sa'yo. What's your name? Tota. Tawa ka dyan. Tawa yarn. Ay, familiar talaga yung Barzagan na yan, no? Ang layo ko na kasi. Miss Emma. Sino yung Miss Emma? Baka poster ko yan. Tang ina, bakit? Ba't napapamura? No, I don't have page there. Yeah, I don't have page. Okay, shout out kita. Ano ba yung name mo? Bomb one of one from Mandaluyong. Shout out sa'yo. Of course, I remember you, JP. Kailan ba yung unang kilala natin? Basta online lang din, diba? Like, 2020? Shout out sa'yo. Oo, na-shout out na po kita. Huwag kang abusado. Charot! Hi, I'm Gerald Monte. Ah, since 2016? Since 2016? Ang galing naman nun. Kasi mga ganun era din ako nag-start mag-Facebook. Hello, shout out sa'yo from Davao de Oro. Davao de Oro. Meron bang ganong place? Shout out sa'yo. Nick. Yan. Near group. Puta, na alam ko yun. Alam ko yung miss na miss ko yun. Tsaka yung isa pa yung squad na something. Yung grupo-grupo. Nakakamiss din yun, no? Yung parang chat-chat ka lang. I don't have, yeah. Thank you. I know that word, bonita. Thank you, Sol Rivera. RB? Shout out RB. Ay, puta na. Nalobat, guys. Wait lang. Ow. Nalobat. Charge ko lang yung ko. Yung elaw. Good evening sa'yo, Allison. You can ask me questions, guys. Nalobat si Mari. Mag-charge na nga. Ito na nga. Swerte talaga yun. Ano ba to? Ay, talagay nga po. Talagay nga po. Salamat po. Where are you, ma'am? Hi, Miss Cutie. Saan ka na ngayon? Wala ka na ba sa, LU? Kita ko yung jowa mo, ha? How are you, ma'am? Okay lang po ako. Walang problema. Chill lang. Chill lang. Kasi pag gano'n na natin yan, baka yung buhok natin mamumuti. Shargol pa din. Aba. Enjoy ka lang. Gusto na kita. Gusto ko mag-meet tayo soon. Like, libre kitang kape, ganun. Coffee date tayo. Saan ka ba ngayon nauwi? Pag uuwi ka, like, sa Cavite or Manila? Sige, sasabihin ko na, sa may bandang Pasig. Wala nyo na lang, malaki na yung Pasig. Hi, Shady. Okay. Basta ingat lang sa biyahe, tsaka enjoy. Sige, Makati. Sure ako dyan. Marami namang coffee dun eh. Dasma ka talaga. Oo nga. Pero sana, pag may time ka, kung nandun ka, pag nagkataon, yon banding tayo. Pasig, lapit lang. Oo, lapit lang talaga yung Mandaluyong dun. Like, parang 10 minutes lang ata, dun ka na eh. Okay. Pag napunta ka, pupunta ka ng Manila. Pag may important. Siyempre, ano magagawin mo sa Manila kung taga Cavite ka? Hindi na pag-meet eh. Ikaw nood-nood ka sa akin Walang magawa yun. Aba. Kailan ng meet up? Oo, mahilig ako sa ride. Pero, wala eh. Alam mo Kamusta naman ang benta mo? Mga jacket mo, mga ano mo. Miss you to eat. Punta ka dito Davao, idol. Papakilala ko tang ano. Hoy, di ba ikaw rin yung sa may ano? Nagko-comment ka rin dun eh. Itong meme Nado. Nado. O sige, PM mo lang ako. Sige. Go. You can do whatever you want now. Ayoko. Ganun ba? English, okay. You want me to talk English, okay. Yes, of course. No, don't do that. That's bad. Hello, Emmanuel. Long time no live, right? Of course, it's less visible so that, yeah, it won't restrict me anyway anymore. Because I don't want to be restricted na. I'm tired of waiting like months like that. Size po ng bra ko. Hindi ko alam size ng bra ko eh. Alog daw, gagi. Ano ba yung motor mo? Hi sa'yo, Lopez. Happy watching. Hindi na nagbabra. Syempre, nasa bahay lang, tsaka gabi naman eh. Kailangan pa magbra, diba? Ano yan? Blue yan? Okay. Hati tayo. Hati tayo. Parang baby busog na ako sa kape. Hati tayo. Ikaw muna mauna. Okay. Someone give me this, guys. You want this? Ano daw? Ayoko doon kasi pan-tomboy yun eh. Oo naman. Tamang-tama si Bani Layola. Tumingin na lang kayo. Ano sabi niya? Tumingin na lang kayo. Wag na kayo tanungin kung legit ba. Kitang-kita naman. Tama. Idol na kita. Tayo ka naman, idolo. Ayoko tumayo. Pukin ng ina. Ayoko tumayo para sa'yo. Ano ka? Alis ka nga. Joke lang. Joke lang. Baka sabihin, bino ko eh. Paano kumain? Ganito lang. Mm-mm. Show some skills. What skills? Baka videohan nyo eh. Anong gagawin? Anong gagawin ba? Mas okay pag walang filter. Sige, try ko walang filter. Ah, like this. Okay, wait. Ah, ah. Ay. Paano naman naka-SYM? Ano ba yung SYM? Wait. Ito yung mga maganda dito. Hindi naman kaya. Grabe. Ah, kaya pala, guys. Hmm. Oh, maganda rin naman yun. Kaso katagalan nangangalay yung nangangalay yung puwet ko doon. Pag malayong lugar, no? Like, parang 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Naalala mo yung ex mo dahil sa'yo. Bakit? Ano ba ginawa ng ex mo? Benny Layola. Thank you. Siyempre, ano ba to? 3 inch lang to eh. Wait lang. Paano ba tanggalin yung... Ayan! Mas okay to. Mas okay to. Mas okay yung filter na ito. Hello, Patrick. Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi naman masyadong strict. Speak in English. Okay, for you, I will. Ask me. Don't put that thing on your head. Oo naman. Sino ka ba? Hindi kita matandaan. Primo dite. Primo dite. How's going in your life? I'm okay. I'm good. All good. No! Thanks. Wala yung ice cream, guys. Ice cream. Hindi pala ice cream yun. Yogurt. Pero okay na. Maayo kay kamutila, ma'am. Pasabot man kong Bisaya. Kay Bisaya man ko. 34. What's that? Is that the size of my bra? No, 36. 36, yes. That's my... Pasig po. Hoy, di nga kita maalala. Primo date. Primo daiti. Sino miss nyo kanino? Hoy, road to ano ah. Greetings from Malaysia. Hello. What time there? I'm not working student, guys. Because huminto ako eh. Unsa man ang bugdo, juldoy? Ano man sa mana? Sino yung RB? RB Josh JB? Yun ba yung sa Barzaga? Tapos, parang pinunas ko yung tissue or yung cookie? Yun ba yun? Yun ba yun? Dalawa kasi kilala ko eh. Hi. How about you, dear gorgeous? It's currently 9:43 in night, PM. It's PM. It's already evening here. It's night already. I want to show you my pussycat, but she's sleep. She's sleeping. Is it okay to remove here? Wala akong marireto sa'yo. Sorry. Ikaw ang maghanap. We are the same timeline. Oh, yeah, I know. Because Malaysia is in Asia, right? This looks pretty cool. Magandang gabi din sa'yo. Hindi man kita eh. Um, I like it. I like it like that. Ting 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 ting. I like it like that. Nasa link lang. Check the bio, guys. Um, lately it's been raining. Yeah. How about there? Yeah, good night sa'yo. Mag-sleep ka na. Hello. Haha. What are you laughing? Let them out. No, I can't. Yeah, it's very hot recently. The weather is very hot recently, but now it's raining and cold. Takaw naman talaga na ito. Good evening, Austin Thomas 88. Are you Philippines or Indonesian? Of course I'm Philippines. You can see it in my Instagram bio. Nasa Tevi ka rin ba? No, but I'm about to download that Tevi. Yeah. Did someone recommend me that? I don't have Tevi, but I will download Tevi soon. Right? Tevi. Thailanders? No, I'm not Thailand. Yeah. Uh, why are you saying gatus, 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 gatus? Original Batang Pinas, 2013. Hi. Hi sa'yo. Nasa link, guys. Nasa link. It's pretty, thank you. Mm, the size is 36. Okay, pa-follow kita. Pag nag-download ako nun, go. Wala akong ganon. Hindi ko mag-alala, wala akong ganon. Nasa sugat ka ba ngayon? Wala po. Wala na po doon. Wala na po ako doon. Yung pinost ko na yon nung nakaraan pa yon kaya akala nyo nasa sukat ako. I'm planning for Cebu in recent months. Okay. Okay. I am. I am. I am. Tindog. Tindog, di ba? It means tayo. Never ako magaganon. It's, hey, it's PJ. Never. Because I have a respect to myself, of course. I have a friend, but yeah, uh, limit, control. Bye. Okay, dear. You can go now, dear. Take care. Of course I have. You can see it on my Aluwa link there. You can subscribe there, of course. Can you raise your both hands? No, I can't right now. No, I can't say that. Ah, of course, I know how to Tagalog because I'm not foreign or something. I'm not, nag-i-English na ako kasi may mga hindi nakakaintindi. Okay. Mm, hello, Bodraptik 203. Sa Aluwa, guys. Nandun sa Aluwa, lahat, lahat. Bisaya, kadol? Oo, marunong ako magbisaya kay trilingual man ko. Ah! Eh, may jowa ka na, nakikipag-meet ka pa. Sumbong ko to si jowa mo. Ikaw ah. Oo, sa may Dumaguete. Dun yung ano ko, province. Bisaya man ko. Kabalo man ko. Ala, Bisaya ka, day. Ay, sa man oy. Mga Bisaya, good kay guwapa. Basta guwapa, Bisaya man, good. Oh, thank you sa'yo. Hi, good evening. Ay, walay joke-joke dere. Shoutout sa taga Bicol. Taga Bicol, day ka. Kabalo ko sa pantalan ra ba, pero wala man ko dira naman ko sa na ako sa Manila. No, I'm not married. I'm not married, guys. I don't have Senomar. Dili man ko ana. Mura raman good kay ako naong kay Chada ba. Chada good akong naong mura ra maging ana. Daghang Bisaya ng ana ugod. Kay mga Bisaya ko walay magawa ba, walay magawa. Do you Oo, sa Dumaguete sa may Kangmating ba? Na wala na yung nakaintindi kay puro Bisaya man. Nakaadto na ka sa Siliman. Oo, kay kanang Siliran kay college school ba yan na? MMK. Hay, anong pangalan mo sa Facebook? Makikita mo yung Facebook ko sa may link. Nandun lahat ng mga social media ko. 'Di ba? Mag-stalk ka na ako, then mo add to ka sa link. Then imong pinduton tong my page account. Mao na to. Imo tong pinduton. Ay, gusto niyo mag-Tagalog or English kayo? Hindi na nakakaintindi yung iba. So, mag-English na lang ako. Kay, unsa man ni? Okay, I'll go back to English na. Because they don't understand what I'm saying. FB reveal. Sige. Seika Martinez. Follow nyo na ako dun. Seika Martinez. Mm. Sige, Day. Okay, Day. Okay, Dong. Sige, Ra. Go. Go. Go, go, go. You are so hard to talk. Sometimes I wanna shoot my shot. What's that? What's shot? Shoot my shot. Thanks for the heart. Follow me, okay? Don't forget to follow me, guys. Yeah. So I can't read yours, Austin. Oh, I know you. I've talked you in Telegram, right? I know you. I know you. What time there? Captain Kirk. Move your necklace at the center. Wow, you're so perfectionist. Are you? Did I bother you? Okay, I will. Oh, it's morning there. 8:56 a.m. You're from Texas, right? You're from Texas. We're in Texas. What are the foods there? Like, uh, uh Texas? Is, yeah, okay, you just woke up. What are the best foods there? Like, the recipe. Yeah, I'm near Taguig, yeah. Fort Worth, Texas. Okay. I don't know that. Where are you from? Philippines. Okay, just ask me. Uh-huh. Okay, you can. But I cannot talk to you. Maybe tomorrow. I'm busy. Ay, sorry naman kung kano, yung prenayo. Sinigang. Alam ko yun. Alam ko yun. Nagtampo agad eh. Sige na, magtanong ka na. Sabi, thank you. Ang taba ng mukha ko. Okay. Ito na nga, ito na. Ang layo, wala na ako sa Dasma. Huh? Oh, thank you for the copy paste. I'm not Indonesian. I'm Filipinesian. I'm from Philippines. You're welcome. I am always active there, so yeah, I remember that 2026. See you there. See you there. Thank you. Yeah, of course. Filipinos are yeah. Yeah, I won't repeat that because where are you living? I'm living in Philippines. Okay. See you pohon. You stay in Manila, yeah. You should visit here. I love Filipino. We love you too. I'm not Indonesian. I don't have that account. Yeah. You can speak Indonesian? No, I can speak Indonesian because I'm not Indonesian. I won't waste my time speaking Indonesian, learning Indonesian because I'm not Indonesian. Yeah, I love men strong, like stronger than me. Thank you for joining. Okay. Pag ganitong oras, medyo marami pala, no? Tapos na. Go. Uy, pusan. Oh, you're Indonesia. Hello. The lights. Hi sa'yo. What's your work? Okay, okay. Good luck. Dili man. Ay! Oh, manager. You have a nice work. You're very hardworking. Yeah. Why is it hard? Why is it hard though? Yeah, I know him. Cause I message him. Like, yeah. That's pretty privilege, right? Like, if you want it, you got it. He's nice. Yeah, he's nice. He's kind, very helpful, and he is very disciplined, guys. Like, he doesn't eat rice. He only eat fiber, protein, like tuna, vegetable, like that. And he always go to gym. Like, her abs is so many. Like, I can't count. I don't know. And, yung, ano bang English yun, puta? Yung dito niya ba? What is that called? His back is so big. Like, it's like Superman. Okay. Yeah, you finally raise your both hands. Yeah, because I wanted to stretch, guys. Of course. What's that? What's that? Oh. I have to fix my I think I like this filter. How about this one? I need to change filter, guys. Is this okay? This is my dress. Yeah. My new dress.
I don't know if there's a curtain filter, but why are you laughing? Maybe I should do my skincare right now since we're only 50 minutes. So I will be using this one. This is from Everbilena. Sorry guys if my No, it's no. No foodie, no. And no. There's no. There's no. Ako lang ito. There's no. Naloka ako. Yes, I live here. How do you say that? How do you say the foodie Dabi? Why do you say that? I mean, can you please elaborate? Ako lang ito, walay. Walay po. What is kawa? Kogel? Hello. Thank you. Thank you for watching my live. Tayo na ito magtali. Gatanong ko lang. May I ask you, like, because I wanted to vlog but I don't know what content is. Can you recommend me some content, guys, on my YouTube channel? Yes, I am. Gumi Hot Top. Hello. OG MC53 from India. Hello. Latino SCJ. Bisaya. Ingay naman nito. Ingay ng posa ko. Sabi ka. Cooking. Nope, I'm not cooking, of course. but I know how to cook. I know how to cook egg. I know how to eggs. I can't find my pussycat. I know how to cook eggs. I know how to cook many. And yeah, I also play games, of course. Like I also play Minecraft. I also play Roblox. I also play Mobile Legends. Yeah. Okay, daily life. Sure, I will. Siyempre, mabait ako. Yes, of course, I'm happy. Wait. Hi sa'yo. I can show something, but I can show you this. Yeah. Contents. Maraming bago. I have so many new videos, so you can subscribe or chat me, okay? Look at my nails. Is it pretty? Isn't it pretty? Your mug. Yes, my mug is cute. Nasa bio ko. So I have to go now. I will chat you there, okay? Bye. Thanks for watching. Yes. TG, nandun lahat, and then nasa bio ko, nandun lahat. Okay? Bye. Bust down the Tiana. Thank you.